This is day 6 of improving my articulation using a pencil. Wait a minute. I'm making the worst videos in history, man. Let me see what I'll read now. Uh, clock. Quit playing games with your potential and start tackling the brutal grinding tasks that build true capability. You constantly coddle your comfort, picking passive paths instead of pushing past the painful punishing process of daily preparation. Every single word you produce must project absolute crushing power. Stop dropping your consonants and quit permitting pathetic, sloppy habits to sabotage your communication on camera. Competitors are out there capturing victories while you remain trapped in a toxic loop of constant procrastination and complaining. Bite down hard, lock your jaw and force your lazy tongue to battle through the toughest, most complex syllables. No more tepid broken chatter, it is time to execute every dynamic tactic.